I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with dry, detangled hair and a heat protectant so you preserve shine and prevent breakage. Once done, set the iron to the temperature suited to your texture, lower for fine, higher for coarse, then create small sections about 1/2 to 1 inch wide. Clamp the iron near the roots but not on the scalp. Hold for a beat to establish the curl base. Make sure your fingers hold the section taut so the clip forms a smooth bend instead of a kink. Once the base is set, clamp the midshaft and use the clip to guide the ends around the barrel away from your face for an outward curl or toward your face for an inward curl. Rotate your wrist in a single smooth motion. Don't twist the hair so tight that you create tension or break strands. Hold the curl for 6 to 12 seconds based on heat and thickness so the hair's protein bonds reform in the new shape. Make sure to release gently to keep the curl intact. You'll want to pin each loop against your head as it cools. That step sets the curl for maximum longevity and prevents immediate drop. Once all sections cool, unpin and separate curls with your fingers or a wide brush for the desired look, and finish with a light mist of hairspray. If a curl falls flat, reheat only that small section at a slightly lower temperature and repeat the wrapping step once. Overheating or repeating too often causes damage, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.